Okay, so because we are in essence partnered together, we at Freedom Venture um, are the fund managers, and you as the investor come into the fund with capital and partner with us. We do these deals together. We invest together alongside each other. So at the end of every year, for tax purposes, we would share with you through your back office. Our legal team will distribute to you your K-1. So your K-1 is your partnership tax document. It's just called a K-1. I pulled one up just to give you a big picture idea of what it looks like. Trust me, I don't fill these in. Our accounting team takes care of all of this. So think about it for a second. We're a $100 million fund with many investors in there. So everything is prorated dependent upon the amount of capital that you, the investor, put into the fund. So everyone is different. Everyone is obviously individual, but I wanted to show you just what a K-1 looks like and what its purpose is, so that you're maybe a little more familiar with it. So this is the IRS K-1 form, and it's your profit and loss. Really, it's your income and your expenses broken down, so that your accountant will then take this K-1 and that will become part of your your tax return that you file on an annual basis. So just scrolling through, the partnerships, the names and addresses of the individuals, we fill out all of this. We have your information in your secure back office, so we don't need to be calling you to get this information together. If it's a partnership or an LLC, or you've come through your retirement accounts with a self-directed IRA, all of that information is in there as well. And it's pretty much just like I said, a breakdown, rental income, payments, capital, guarantees, et cetera, et cetera. Look, I'm not an accountant, but I wanted to show you this document so that you are somewhat familiar with it. Your accountant will be incredibly familiar with it, I'm sure. And it will show, percentage of profits and losses, percentage of capital. That's where it's prorated, depending on how much capital you invested into the fund. And then at the end, your partner's net share of income and expenses, gains or losses. Obviously, we don't want to be seeing any losses on there, but we want to be seeing gains. So this is your Schedule K-1, Form 1065. And again, that will be filled out by us. You will get that in time to be able to file your own tax returns on time, every year going forward. So your K-1, profit and loss relationship with us as your business partners in the fund.